If you have a 67 to 72 GM C10 where the button went like this, I'm going to figure out how to fix it right now. First thing you need to do is take off the door panel, and you can look in the link in the description or a little clickable link on how to do that, because I already made a video on that. So there's access holes here and here to get to the two bolts that hold the door panel, the door handle in. Sorry, you can see them right there, there and there, and then you can't really see it, but this is the inside, the door handle right here. There's a little like rod. Yeah, you won't be able to see that very well. There's a little rod. Yeah, you can see it pointing to the side. That is supposed to go back and hit an actuator to hit the striker to pop the door open. There's a little plate in the back and a spring. So you're going to want to dig around in the door panel and hope that that plate and the spring is still in there. So I'm going to go ahead and... So here's the spring. Found that. I'm going to try to find the plate and unbolt the door panel, the door handle. Why do I keep saying panel? And that's the plate right there, which I also found in the bottom of the door. So now we're going to go ahead and unbolt the door handle. Alright, so here's the door handle removed. Actually 7/16 bolts that keep together, two of them. Pretty easy to access with a wrench or a ratchet. You just gotta sneak your arm up in there. And you can see right here, pot metal. There's little tabs that are supposed to go over that broke off. There's the spring, which goes over the rod as such. And then this little tab, which is supposed to go like to this. Pretty strong little spring. See, so that's supposed to click into place like that. And then you gotta bend these tabs back, hopefully, or secure it in some other way. See, because you can see that's just gonna pop back out at some point. So drilled some holes, wrapped some wire around it to hold it in place. And we once again have a functioning door handle. Hopefully, let's see. Shuts. Boom.